All right, good day and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use this amazing gas cooker. This is Maxi 4 burner gas cooker. Maxi 60x60 3+1 gas burner, standing cooker, and it has an oven. Today we are going to be discussing everything about this cooker. We have received a lot of questions about people who have bought gas cookers and not being able to use them properly, or people who are intending to buy but they don't know what to expect. They don't know what features they should be expecting. And in this video is going to answer all your questions concerning standing gas cooker. Just like I said earlier, this is Maxi gas cooker. Maxi, and any gas cooker you have, you can see this mechanism behind them is the same. This one is Maxi. You can be using Scanfrost, LG, Oka, Haya, and name them, and many other more, Toshiba and the rest of them. But what I want to explain to you is, what I want you to understand is the basic feature, the key components of them is the same. The way they operate, their functionalities is the same. Although some brands have additional features and they have added advantages like that, but the basic features is the same. What I'm trying to say is, if you can operate this one, if you can operate this Maxi, you should be able to use any other gas cooker. You should be able to play around any cooker. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video. Just like I said earlier, this cooker is 60x60. 60x60 in the sense that it has 60 cm width and 60 cm length, whatever the case may be, either length or breadth. There are others that have 60x90. There are others that comes with 60x90, just like I said, and 90x90, and the rest depending on the size. It's just length. It's describing the length of the cooker. All right. That being said, and I also said this, in case of this cooker here, is 3+1, which means it has 3 gas burners and 1 electric. As you can see here, this cooker, this one's a gas, and this one is an electric heater, electric hot plate, whatever name you want to call it. As you can see from this, by this corner there, we have the cylinder we have used to connect this very cooker. You can use, there's no particular size of cooker you have to use. Why we are using a 12.5 kg on this one is because of the requirements. You know, if you are like most people who are moving from maybe, let's say, charcoal, maybe smaller cookers, and you want to get a standing cooker, that means probably you want to improve your efficiency. You wouldn't want a situation where you use a smaller cooker and it will be finishing fast. You have to fill it up often. So you will need something bigger, something that can at least accommodate a lot of meal before it finishes. So that's why we have 12.5 kg there that we have connected with the host to the cooker. All right, let's go straight to the cooker functions. As you can see, we have 2 buttons here. This is the lighting for the oven. The oven light. This one is showing, it works well with the oven light. If whenever you want to use the oven, you can on the light there. It will show the light in the oven. You can prepare your chicken, prepare your fish you want to prepare. Here is the ignition. It ignites the gases. You know, when you on the gas, when you on the cookers, just like your small cookers, your small gas burner, when you open it, something has to spark the light. So in this case, it comes with an ignition. There are other cookers that doesn't come with ignition. It's still understandable. If you want to buy, you go through the description, you go to the recommendation of the manufacturer, you see the features surrounding it. In this case, it has an ignition, and you can use it to ignite it. Let's say you want to on this first one. You can on it from there, lighting it with the ignition. As you can see, we have put on the first one. So depending on the kind of cooker you are using, the calibrations might alter a little bit, but it will still be the same, showing you the positioning might be different. Just like this one, and it's showing the first one is for this one, the second one is for the hot plate, the third one is for the oven. It's indicated here. The fourth one here is for the next gas burner, and this one, which is the last one here. So whichever way your own cooker is arranged, I want you to understand that it is the same function they do, it is the same mechanism behind them, and there's nothing to be worried about. So as you can see here, this is for the hot plate. The hot plate is on. As you can feel it, the hot plate is on. Then here, just like I said earlier, is for the oven. We are going to come to that. This is for the next cooker, and this is for the last one here. All right, we are using the ignition. Assuming there's no power, the cooker is already connected to power supply. Assuming there's no power, you can use your external matches or lighter, as I have here. You just put on your gas and light it. That's it. You put on the gas, can allow it to come out a little bit, then you light it. That's how to go about it for the cookers, for the gas. As you can see, very self-explanatory, very clean to understand. Don't forget what I told you. This one is for the oven light. This is for the ignition. That being said, and the hot plate is there, which works. You can decide to use all of them. Assuming you are cooking, you want to even prepare 4 meals at once, you can put your pans there and prepare the meal together. Let's go to the oven. Assuming you want to use the oven, we have had questions about the ovens as well. Some people, they bought the cooker, they don't know how to go about the oven. They don't know how to, they bought cooker, they don't know how to use the oven. They are wondering if the oven is still working or not. Don't know. So let me show you something here. In this cooker, for instance, it's a gas oven. There are some instances where a gas comes with electric oven, depending on but most times gas oven. In this case now, it has an oven, a gas oven. So this is where you open your oven. You open it from here, and this is your tray. You use your tray. You can use it to. This is where you put your whatever you are trying to put in the oven. With the fish, whatever you are trying to prepare in the oven. This is where you put it, and you arrange everything here, and you drop it in the oven, and you on it and put it depending on the time specification for the cooking. This is where you on your oven on this very cooker. You on your oven here. This is where you on your light. In case the place is too dark, you can't see, you can on the lights there, and you on your oven. And you on your oven here. As you can see, the oven is on now. So you can use it to prepare whatever you want to prepare. You can use it to arrange to get your fish, your meat, whatever you want to prepare with your oven. We are not using the oven now, so we can put it off. As you can see, we also have a net here in case you want to use it. In case you want something that's you want the heat from the oven to touch directly without the pan. This is where you can put it. That being said, in case you have any question regarding the cooker, you bought the cooker, you don't know how to go about it, you're wondering how you are going to use it, you can drop a question in the comment section about your cooker. If you're wondering where to buy this kind of cooker, you can buy it I'll drop a link in the description box where you can shop it on our platform, or you can get any, just like I said earlier, any cooker you get, the mechanism behind them is not going to be far from this. You just have to play around them. You see how it's not difficult to use, and I bet you will love using a standing cooker. It makes your work very easy. It reduces the stress you are supposed to use to cook. All right, thank you very much.